To install your hanging pedestal, follow these steps. Step 1. Remove the drawers by pressing the black clips, one side down, the other up. Then carefully slide the drawers out. Position the pedestal under the desk. Use the third pre-existing hole to the left on the pedestal and align it with the corresponding 4 bolt holes under the desk. Lift the pedestal into place, using your foot or a partner for support. Insert the first bolt with a washer. Hand tighten it, then use a drill or Allen key to secure it. Finally, screw in the remaining 3 bolts. Step 3. Reinstall the drawers by aligning the tracks on the drawers with the tracks on the pedestal, then slide them in until they lock. Step 4. Install 2 L brackets under the pedestal and secure them to the side of the desk for added stability. Your hanging pedestal is now installed and ready for use.